Hello, 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 and welcome to my abode. I am Tracy. Please have a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you see, please subscribe, but please hit that like button. Hello, good people. I am back. This is Tracy, Passionately Intrigued Arts, with my Beginner Gardening Chronicles. Everything is content, so I'm going to go ahead and make this little video so you all can see what I'm doing. I need to make some tags for some winter indoor growing that I'm doing. And I've got these little flat coffee stirrers, wood, and I'm just going to cut them in half. Try to, anyway. Let's see how that works. Yep. I only need 4, so I'm going to cut each one in half, approximately. Without cutting myself. Come on. Okay. And what I'm going to do is use my glue gun and use these little tiny crafter sticks, popsicle sticks, whatever you want to call them, little crafter sticks. I'm going to label them first. Okay? Am I in the camera? No, it's not in the camera. Let me adjust. There we go. There we go. So, move this stuff out the way. I need to label for peppers that I'm growing. Let me push this glue gun back. So, I'm going to take this part, and I'm going to use, instead of a permanent marker, because you know the permanent marker eventually wears off, I'm going to try, it's a paint pen, a paintbrush marker. Glass paintbrush, we're going to see. And just label these. So, the first one is Serrano chili. See how this works. Serranochili. And I want to put today's date on here, which is what? I don't even know what today's date is. OMG. It is January. Wow. That's pretty sad. I'll figure it out. I have to look at my phone. One of my phones here. Oh, today's the 16th. Okay, hello. 1624. Okay, so that's one. The next one is cayenne. Long, slim, red cayenne. I'm just going to put cayenne. C-A-Y-E-N-E. 11624. My writing's not too good with this pen, but I know what it says. Okay, then the next one is, what do we have here? Hungarian pepper yellow. So I'm just going to put yellow pepper. Hot. Yellow pepper. These don't work too well because it's a paintbrush type. So it's a glass paintbrush marker, so it's trying to paint instead of write. And 116. Okay, and then I have poblano. Poblano. 116. Okay, got those marked. Now what I'm going to do is use these coffee sticks, and I'm going to put a dab of permanent glue, because you know I'm going to use the glue stick for immediate adhesion, but I don't know how this is going to do if I use these out in the garden this here spring. You know, with the glue stick it might melt and fall apart. So I'm just going to put a little dab of this at the top, and I guess I'll do all 4 right now. Just a little dab. So that it holds permanently. We'll see. And then I'm going to take the glue gun some here on the back. Oh boy. and put that down on there like so. Let's do this next one. And I might have used too much hot glue. Let me, because I want the permanent glue to work too, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue underneath that permanent glue. How's that? I'll do it like that. Okay. So the hot glue immediately adheres, and then the permanent glue will cure and hopefully affix these two pieces of wood together permanently, or for a little while, longer than hot glue. It's the ideal anyway. Stick that on there. There we go. How you like that? Gotta get all the glue webs off. It's the only thing I don't like about hot glue. All these glue webs. As such. Now, let me move this totally out of my way. Back over here. Move all this other stuff. Gotta put my seeds back. I only have a few left in these, but I needed these to know what I was printing out on these tags. Let's see how this is going to work. My indoor gardening that I started. So, these first three back here are, what did I do? Serrano chili. I'm just going to stick that one there. I guess. Those are the first three pods here. Then I did what? I had them in order now, I don't know. Ooh. I don't remember. Oh, that's terrible. I'll have to watch my video to see. Did I do cayenne? I don't know, y'all. I think so. Cayenne, and I remember doing poblano last. So those three will be cayenne. These three will be poblano. And these three will be yellow. Ta-da! Looks like a little cemetery. Let's hope they don't die. Okay? Let's hope that they germinate. Thank you so much. Give me a thumbs up. Peace and love. We'll see you next time. Wish me luck. See ya.